Is my phone unlocked and ready for a SIM card?
Hey there! Welcome to this video where we'll discuss how you can determine if your phone is unlocked and ready for a SIM card. Whether you've purchased a new phone or you're planning to switch carriers, knowing if your phone is unlocked is essential. In this video, we'll walk you through a few simple steps to help you figure out the status of your phone. So, let's get started.
Checking phone status.
The first thing you need to do is check the status of your phone. By status, we mean whether it's locked to a specific carrier or unlocked and ready to accept SIM cards from any carrier. Here's what you can do. 1. Power off your phone. Start by powering off your phone completely. 2. Locate the SIM card tray. The location of the SIM card tray may vary depending on the phone model. In most cases, it is located either on the side or the top of the phone. Once you've found it, you'll need a SIM card ejector tool or a small paperclip. 3. Remove the SIM card tray. Insert the SIM card ejector tool or the unfolded paperclip into the small hole on the SIM card tray. Apply gentle pressure to eject the tray from the phone. Carefully pull out the tray. 4. Inspect the SIM card tray. Take a close look at the SIM card tray. You might find some useful information printed on it, such as the phone's model number or the carrier it's locked to. However, this method may not always provide the desired information. 5. Insert a different carrier's SIM card. If you have access to a SIM card from a different carrier, insert it into the tray. Make sure it fits properly and that you've oriented it correctly. 6. Power on your phone. Once the new SIM card is inserted, power on your phone. If your phone is unlocked, it should recognize the new SIM card and establish a network connection. You may receive prompts for network settings, but that's a good sign. 7. Test for network connectivity. Make a phone call or try accessing the internet using mobile data. If you're able to connect to the network and use the services without any issues, congratulations. Your phone is likely unlocked.
Contacting your carrier.
If the above steps didn't provide a clear answer, or if you don't have access to a different carrier's SIM card, you can always reach out to your carrier's customer support. Here's what you can do. 1. Gather your phone information. Before contacting your carrier, make sure to gather essential information about your phone. This includes the phone's make, model, and the carrier it's currently locked to, if applicable. You can usually find this information in your phone's settings or by checking the original packaging or documentation. 2. Contact customer support. Reach out to your current carrier's customer support through their website, phone, or in-store support. Explain that you want to determine the unlock status of your phone and provide them with the necessary information. They should be able to assist you by checking their records and letting you know if your phone is unlocked or not. There you have it. By following these steps, you can determine whether your phone is unlocked and ready for a SIM card. Remember, inserting a different carrier's SIM card and testing for network connectivity is often the most reliable method. However, if that's not possible, contacting your carrier's customer support is a great alternative. Thanks for watching. We hope this video has been helpful to you. If you have any further